Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to share to you what is minimalism, why I'm changing my lifestyle to minimalism, and my process in incorporating this lifestyle into my life and where to begin. Hello lovelies! I'm Trisha. I make cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle videos, and sometimes I post vlogs too. Kung bago po kayo dito sa channel na to, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and you can also follow me on Instagram. It's at lovetrisha12. And on Facebook, it's the Love Trisha 12. Today, I'm going to share to you how I'm going to start my journey in changing my lifestyle to minimalism. But before that, I also wanted to give you an idea on what minimalism really is and some misconceptions about this lifestyle. Let's start with the main misconception on minimalism. People think that you have to strip yourself of every single thing that you have, wear only black or white, and live in an empty room basically just to be a minimalist. So what is minimalism really? It has so many interpretations from different people and on how they would want to apply minimalism in their lives. But the main concept of minimalism is simplifying your life and intentional living. Intentional living is identifying what is essential and eliminating the rest. You are identifying what is important in your life and the things that you most value. Or, as Marie Kondo says, what brings you joy? So why do I want to pursue minimalism in my life? I actually have three main reasons kung bakit gusto kong i-pursue yung minimalism sa buhay ko. The first one is to pursue clarity of mind. This past few years, I've struggled with a lot of deep anxieties due to my father's death, and during that time too, I became too busy with struggling a full-time job and full-time postgraduate studies. My mind was too busy with grief and concentrating on both work and studies, which proved to be too demanding. I just thought I could handle everything. Dumating sa point na nalalagasan na ako ng buhok dahil sa sobrang stress kasi naghalo-halo na lahat. And one night na lang, bago ako matulog, parang naisip ko na, ano ba talaga yung totoong gusto ko sa buhay? What do I really want my life to be a few years from now, nung time na yun? Do I want a higher degree by the age of 30? Be a successful individual in terms of career? While leaving behind the priority of starting a good married life and starting a family? I then chose to have a much simpler life of being a wife. Honestly, at that time, I just wanted to take a break from all the chaos of working while studying and be at a peaceful mindset for a while. Little by little, I didn't realize that I was already starting a minimalist lifestyle by constantly decluttering my relationships, possessions, and my mind. I was constantly searching for a way to clear myself, especially my mind, of things that bother me or take up too much space. I wanted to have a clear and peaceful mindset in order to continue on with my life, or else I'd be depressed. That's why I wanted to officially pursue minimalism right now. Pangalawa naman sa rason ko is to have a simpler lifestyle. When I first moved to New Zealand, akala ko yung buhay ko dito is magiging lavish, yung parang extravagant. Inisip mo pag nasa abroad, parang mga sosyal, ang mga tao. Yun din yung ina-expect ko dito nung paglipat ko ng New Zealand. But in reality, hindi pala. Living here for almost 2 years now made me realize that it was the complete opposite of what I was expecting. People here are laid back, very conscious of keeping the environment healthy, and they live a simple and frugal life. And yung last na na-realize ko lang siya parang recently lang is yung freedom from consumer capitalism. In these times, many people are attracted, including me, with all the products that we don't really need. Companies would like us to think that we need a certain stuff when in reality, we don't really need it, and they're just going to take up some space in our homes and therefore would make us feel unhappy. So ngayon naman is gusto kong i-share sa inyo kung ano yung magiging process ko dito sa journey na to. So syempre, para masimulan ko tong pag-change ko ng lifestyle into minimalism, nag-research ako. I came about this channel. It's called Pick Up Limes. Yung process na binigay niya is Yun yung feeling ko na mas komportable akong gawin. Ang pag-change ng lifestyle is kailangan mo din siyang iakma kung ano yung komportable para sa'yo. So yung sa akin is nakita ko yung 30 days to minimalism niya. Naisip ko na tamang-tama para sa akin yung checklist na pre-provide niya dun sa video niya. And yun yung gagamitin ko ngayon para dito sa whole series na to. Each day on this list, which is not necessarily consecutive days, I am going to tackle each of the subcategories. Also, each day will be one video, although I think I could fit a few subcategories in one video and one day. So, para sa day 1 ng decluttering natin, ang nasa listahan is bags, purses, and wallets. So what we're going to do on day 1 is to declutter all the bags, purses, and wallets that you have inside your closet. If you have a lot of bags, like multiple types of bags inside your closet, and you may realize that you're not using some of them, then probably it's now time to declutter. The first step is to dump every bag that you own on the floor or on a table. Identify which of them you're still using and which of them you're not using anymore or have not used in the past 6 months at least. Don't forget to ask yourself these 2 questions. Will this add value to my life? And does this item still make me happy? So, nung paglipat ko dito sa New Zealand, isa lang yung bag na dala-dala ko. I mean, yung carry-on bag na dala ko. Ito lang. Nabili ko to nung unang visit ko dito. Doon lang sa may Dress Mart. Parang murang bilihan niya ng mga branded items. And nagustuhan ko tong bag na to kasi kulay pink siya. Plus itong parang fur dito sa gilid. Ito talaga yung naka-attract sa akin. So, isa lang talaga ang bag ko. And hindi ko na talaga dinala yung mga bags ko dun sa Pilipinas. Alam ko, nabibili lang din naman ako ng bago dito. And since mag-isa lang akong bumiyahe nung time na yun papunta dito sa New Zealand, parang inisip ko na dapat hindi na talaga ako magdala ng super madami pang items since hindi ko naman siya kayang dalhin lahat. So, feeling ko magiging madali lang para sa akin ang day 1. Nandito din pala sa loob nito itong purse. Ito naman purse na to, binili ko naman to sa Pilipinas. Celine siya. Gusto ko tong purse na to kasi very simple lang siya. And at the same time, pwede mo siyang gamitin para sa mga semi-formal na events, isasabit mo lang siya sa kamay mo, or pag halimbawa, madali lang akong pupunta sa mall, or minsan pag nag-grocery kami, ito lang din yung dala ko. Merong isa pang purse, kasi mahilig ako sa mga organizers, lalo na pagdating sa bag, kasi ayoko na yung bag, ang laman niya is parang nakakalat sa loob. Gusto ko naka-organize ang loob ng bag ko. Ang loob ng bag ko is mga maliliit din na bags. Binili ko naman to sa Cotton On dito sa New Zealand. Kung mapapansin nyo, lahat ng mga dinala ko dito sa New Zealand is yung mga bagong bili ko lang na mga items. So, ang naman itong purse na to is yung mga hygiene products ko. Lumang wallet ko to and actually, hindi ko na to ginagamit. Bumili ako ng card holder kasi most of the time, cards lang naman yung ginagamit nila dito. Ito lang 3 ang kinoconsider ko ng wallet ko. Binili ko to sa Pilipinas pa. Mahilig kasi dati ako sa wallet. Parang after few months, gusto ko magpalit ng wallet. Hindi ko na-feel ngayon na kailangan kong magdagdag ng possessions. Lalo nung lumipat talaga ako dito. So, feeling ko talaga medyo matagal ko nang sinimulan yung pagiging minimalistic. Also, take out the bags which are already ruined, which you may think that you can still fix, but you have not fixed until now, because most probably, you're never going to fix it. And it will only add clutter to your space. Do the same thing for your purses and wallets. Once you've identified which of these items you're keeping, it's now time to declutter what's inside these bags, wallets, and purses. So, ang nasa loob nitong purse na to is passport. Copy ng visa ko, pero yung lumang visa ko to. So, kailangan na talaga natin mag-declutter. Copy ng passport ko. And, parang mirror siya. Ito naman sa maliit na part na to ng bag is, tingnan nyo guys, mga nagkalat na mga hair clips. And may band-aid. Pampunas ng salamin. Yung sa lumang salamin ko pa to. Resibo. And, so tatanggalin ko lang yung mga basura sa bag ko. And, lilinisin lang natin siya. So, ayan. So, wala nang laman ng bag. Passport, kailangan yan. So, yan lang mga items na yan ang ilalagay ko sa loob ng black purse ko. So, ito yung pinakahuli kong i-declutter kasi ang tagal ko nang hindi nabubuksan tong wallet na to. And ang nandito sa wallet na to is mga lumang items ko dun pa sa Pilipinas. So, mga lumang cards, ganon. Lumang credit card, yung TIN ID ko, multi-purpose ID, and isa pang credit card, mga resibo, lumang office ID, the face shop card. Dito kasi ako bumibili ng aloe vera para sa mukha. 10% off na mga vouchers and card. Nakuha ko to actually, parang pabalik na ako dito sa New Zealand nung time na yun. And parang ang naisip ko ngayon na useless pala na kumuha pa ako ng ganitong card sa Face Shop Philippines kasi matagal pa ako bago bumalik ng Pilipinas. So, anong gagamitin ko dito? And dapat nga pala, binigay ko na lang to sa kapatid ko para ginamit niya na lang to. Oh my goodness. So, kung merong Face Shop, meron namang The Body Shop. So, dito ako bumibili ng mga body scrubs, mga ganon. Super obsessed talaga ako dyan sa shops na yan. Kaya kahit dito sa New Zealand, binibisita ko pa rin yung mga shops na yan. And dyan pa din ako bumibili ng mga body scrubs ko and everything. 20 pesos. Ang tawag namin dito sa Bicol is pasakatan. Hindi ko alam kung anong Tagalog version yan. Yung nilalagay mo sa loob ng wallet para dumami pa yung laman ng wallet mo na pera. So, Our Lady of the Abandon sa Seattle's Best. Nakuha ko to nung una kong pag-uwi ng Pilipinas sa may airport. Nilagyan siya ng stamp. So, para namang babalik pa ako dun. Nung time na yun, naisip ko, mali mo, bumalik pa ako dito. Pero hindi na pala ako babalik kasi matagal pa pala bago makauwi ulit ng Pilipinas. Yun yung mahirap sa pagdi-declutter. Kasi pag nakikita mo itong mga ganito, mga kahit basura naman, talaga siya. Pero parang nare-remind ka nung time na yun na nakuha mo to. Nare-remind ka ng mga experiences sa past mo pag nakikita mo tong bagay na to. So, kaya naiintindihan ko din kung bakit mahirap mag-declutter. Pero syempre, pampadagdag kasi yan ng space sa wallet mo na minsan nahihirapan ka maghanap ng cash or something ng card kasi ang dami-daming mga nakasiksik na mga kung ano-ano. Tapos ang kapal-kapal ng wallet mo, akala mo ang daming pera, tapos wala naman palang pera. Gaya sa akin, 20 pesos lang yung laman ng wallet, kaya ganun. Anyway, ito, ikikeep ko to guys. Ikikeep ko to kasi ito yung ID ng papa ko dun sa tinatrabahuhan niya sa Nabwa, Camarines Sur. Ito yung bago, tas ito yung lumang 10 pesos. So yun, ito lang yung laman nitong wallet na to. 10, 20, 40 pesos lang lahat. So yun yung day 1 ng decluttering natin. Ang nandito lang sa akin is isang bag, isang knapsack, wala akong shoulder bag, wala akong body bag, isang purse, and isang card holder, and isang long wallet. So, yun lang yung mga nandito sa akin. And pwede nyo din naman akong sabayan guys, kung halimbawa gusto nyo din na mag-declutter, sabayan nyo ako days 1 to 30. Magpo-post po ako ng minimalism video ko every Saturday. Kaya yung next video ko is ipopost ko next Saturday. Sana panoorin nyo din po yun kasi madami tayong mga parts ng bahay na i-declutter pa.